In this video I'll show you how to remove the radio from your Camry 2002 to 2006. First we'll need to remove the climate control. So take a prying tool or a flathead screwdriver, and you see on the bottom corner here, pry it just a bit. Do the same on the other side. There are plastic clips keeping it attached behind, so once you do this, you'll be able to pull it with your hand. We won't need to detach it, so just put it away there. As you can see, there are two 10mm bolts here. You'll need to remove them with a 10mm socket. Don't lose them. And now you'll have to remove this plastic bezel with the air vents. Try to unclip it with both of your hands, and then use the prying tool or flathead screwdriver to unclip it more on the upper level, right there, on each side. It should slide right out. To remove the connector, again, use your flathead screwdriver and press the release right there and pull at the same time. You can set this aside. Now there are two more 10mm bolts on each side. The other one is right there. And you should be able to pull the entire radio out. Now the connector on the back, use your flathead screwdriver to unclip them, pressing the tab, and the antenna, you just need to pull it out. This way you have your radio right here out of the car, really easily done in just 3 minutes.